Hi guys, today in this tutorial I will basically introduce a new image processing library called as GIMP, J-I-M-P in Node.js. Basically it is used to resize and crop images. We will use this example and just open the npmjs.com website and search for this module which is called as JIMP, GIMP. So this is the name of the library, image processing library, written entirely in JavaScript. So zero external dependencies are used, so it's a fully built inside JavaScript. You will see this is the command which is necessary, npm i gimp. Simply install this by using this command. You can see the weekly downloads, 518,000 weekly downloads. So it's a very pretty famous library. You can supported types, it supports JPG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, GIF files also. So we will show you the basic example, guys, how to resize images. So I will take the example of this image of mine, which is profile.jpg. This is the original size of the image. Now I need to crop this image. I've written a script right here which will actually have these dimensions, the top, width and height. We will resize to 600 and we will have these dimensions, the left and the top. So these dimensions need to be provided, and now once I execute this script right here, on the left hand side you will see a file has been created. If I show you output.jpg, and here the message image cropped successfully. So if I now open this file here, you will now see the image is little bit resized and cropped. The original image was this image. Now the unwanted portions have been cropped and removed and the image is little bit resized. So in this way, guys, you can resize images using this library. Now we will be looking at the actual code. So just create index.js after you install this library, and right here at the very top you just need to require this package. So we will require JIMP. We will basically require this library, make a variable, and then we need to provide the input file path, which is profile.jpg, stored in the same directory, and then the output file. So this output file I will call this as result.jpg, and here you need to provide the actual coordinates. So left is 100. You can change these coordinates accordingly. Top is 150, and then the width and the height of the image. So I pick here width and height to be each 600. So after that we need to now process the image using the GIMP library. So GIMP basically contains a method which is read. This is the method it contains. We can read the image first of all by providing the path of the image which is stored inside an input file, and then it returns a promise. Because it's a async function, it will return a promise to us, and right here inside it will hold all the information about the image. And if I just console log this object, you will see on the console, basically if I execute this application now, it will provide you all such information about the image. The original width of the image, which is 819, height is 1024, and all these meta information about the image, the height, the width, the thumbnail offset, the bitmap, all that stuff information. So now with that object that we got from the GIMP library, we can actually crop and resize this image with the dimensions that we passed here. So it contains this method, built-in method of crop. So here you can provide your dimensions, which is the left, top, and width and height. So these four things we are passing directly to this function, the crop function inside this library. And after that, whenever you do this, now you need to save this cropped image. So how to save this? We will return basically image.write async. We will do it asynchronously. We will output file. So we will create this file result.jpg asynchronously. It will return a promise to us. So it will return a promise dot then, and right here whenever the file is successfully saved, we will console log a simple message on the screen that image cropped successfully, cropped and resized successfully. That's all. So if any sort of error take place, we can have the catch block and we can console log the error that this error take place. That's all. So this is all the code which is required, guys. We first of all read the image from the GIMP package, then it returns the meta information about the image. In this image object, then we have the crop built-in method of GIMP, where we provide the left position, top position, width and height, 4 parameters, and then our image is saved by this method write asynchronous. Then it returns a promise that image cropped and resized successfully. So the things are happening in a sequential manner. First of all, the image is read, then we crop the image, then we save the image. So now if I execute this application right here, guys, let me delete this first of all. And then if I execute this file here, node index.js. So just see the left hand side, guys, the message is popping in that image cropped and resized successfully, and we got this image result.jpg, and our image is successfully cropped. And just to prove my point, let me change this width to 50. So now you will see the file will be drastically changed. If I again open this result.jpg, the width will be very small because we put width to 50. So you can easily crop and resize images using the GIMP library. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please hit that like button, and I will be seeing you in the next video.